Urhobo mewado. Kipo wani mebiyo mewe moterowa. Oyono Urhobo Christy Nyerhovwo. No nena mego no takpare. Urhobo say ne. Eranvwe Eghwughwe Aghwa wild animals. No nena mego no takpare. Urhobo say ne. Eranvwe Eghwughwe Aghwa oyibo kobeta obise ne. Wild animals. I want to talk about wild animals in Urhobo language. What are wild animals? I want to use Urhobo to define it. There ye say Eranvwe. Eranvwe Eranvwe Deer Eghwughwe Maro kere Eghwughwe sa Eghwughwe sete. Eranvwe tionena djoma mamo. Fiki otion yena Okpohrokpo sie kaira yetion yen. Evo sa dienu, evo sa diame. Evo ije sa dioto yenke vovo sie kaira yetion yen. Eranvwe nana sie kaira na fiki ome gera ye. Awo djoma mamona bicho sie kaira ye. Wild animals in Urhobo. Based on the fact that human beings cannot relate with some of these animals because of their dangerous ways, that is why they belong to this species called wild animals. They live basically mostly in the bushy or forest areas. Some of these animals, like in my last lecture, I was supposed to talk about, I talked about 2 letter words, vowels and consonant sound, which are ibeta ohwo and ibeta kugbe. 2 letter words, consonant and vowel sound combined to form 2 letter words in Urhobo. And I told everyone that in my next class, I will be talking about 3 letter words, both consonant and vowels combined to form 3 letter words in Urhobo. But based on the fact that I've talked about domestic animals before, a lot of persons has been calling that they want to know about some animals, especially wild animals. So that is why I have to take my time now to talk about some wild animals and some of the examples or names of wild animals. Some of the examples of wild animals are 1. Eni Elephant. Odugbo Chimpazee. Gorilla. Okpohrokpo Lion. Squirrel. Edjere Crocodile. Eweri Monkey. Ugo Eagle. Ogbeyin Tortoise. Udin Grass cutter. Leopard. Orhua Deer. Adjalakpo Tiger. Rigbe porcupine. Snake. Eghwughwe pangolin. Snake. Eghwughwe pangolin. Uzo Antelope. Alligator. Lekeleke Egret. Eghwughwe Chameleon. Eghwughwe Chameleon. Let me pronounce it so that we can understand it very well. Eghwughwe Chameleon. That animal that always changes its skin. Anything you put on, if that animal is there and he wants to just change to, if you have 5 persons can stand in one place, that same animal can change to different way, different clothes, different color of such persons in that particular place. That is what is called chameleon. Eghwughwe, Uguru Vulture. And a lot of persons has been calling me, Christy Oyono, Ide say Vulture Urhobo, Vulture. Nay, the meaning of vulture in Urhobo is Uguru Vulture. Uguru Vulture. Note it today. Uguru Vulture. Ogomogoro Giraffe. Sasakoro Zebra. Ogborigbo Iguana. Also Hawk. Uriniako Fox. Okpukpuru Owl. Afioto Rabbit. Eni Hippopotamus. Eni Hippopotamus. Erin Fish. Orere Hare. Omofofa Bush Baby. Esiewa Bush Pig. Ogresi Mouse. Eranvwe Rat. Ororo Whale. Eghwughwe Hyena. Ogbeyin, that is turtle. Ogbeyin, small tortoise is called Ogbeyin turtle. Orobiebi Black Cobra. Oweroto Python. Ogbo Boa. Eweri Green Snake. Orhua Guinea Fowl. Okbeyin Ape. Ologboewa White Cat. Ina misa kaloriyo asakivana ekevovo emise biode yetine modeni ewujisi yoba fikidie ikweje wino na yaba owologwa anye totally ti oyin eye no mi hoko oyi kweje won Urhobo na fikidie ebi wo ti oyin Urhobo na kegure ode mnososo ekotori Nigeria na ebe Urhobo novo oyi gure jodi oboro fori ko isoro ofu na wani kweje enyo Urhobo na Urhobo na di odawe ramari ere amari mo Urhobo di asan ma ide tota okwo fara sofa binyo ode to bonyo de ko ho ne ebe lo okwo fa oyoyo no odi amai di ari ebe lo okwo fa ja ma na ma je san eje na. It's not encouraging. We should encourage ourselves and our family, our children to learn the Urhobo language. I'm your sister, like you know. Please follow me on my Facebook account, Christy Nyerhovwo Eagle Force, or Christy Nyerhovwo Eagle, or Lady Christy Eagle. Anywhere you see me, I know they hide. Now the Urhobo language they project me. Even if I'm doing any other thing, it's just a contrary thing, or it's just a support to what I'm here on social media to do. So please follow me anywhere you see me. Instagram, I'm there. Facebook, I'm there. Everywhere you can think of for social media, I am there. Follow me. Like my video, comment on my video, share my video, and God will bless you all. I love you. Even non-Urhobo, you can still learn. Take care. See you in my next class. Urhobo of Wado.